Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you to the blumfeldt high grow raised garden bed. For flowers, for herbs, for vegetables, for everything you like. For salad, delicious vegetables. It's a comfortable working height, corrugated steel sheet, and a quick installation. A quick assembly is required. We have thick aluminum coating and a layer growth system. We grow our vegetables with the blumfeldt high grow raised garden bed. We can grow our fresh daily vegetables while at the same time transforming our terrace courtyard to a front garden into a green oasis. And it's ecological. Juicy tomatoes, sweet strawberries, crunchy zucchini, and aromatic herbs can be grown easily and ecologically thanks to the optimal growth conditions. This is making the blumfeldt high grow our perfect plant box. The stable frame construction of this garden outdoor bed is made of corrugated steel and it is safely protected against the weather by a special single alloy. The high grow defies weather all year round and provides the optimum growing conditions to our plants. And the blumfeldt high grow raised garden bed creates an optimal growth conditions. The enables comparatively higher yields than with a flat bed. The gardening is much more enjoyable while standing comfortably, and above all, the back friendly, of course, too. And the garden bed's working height of approximately 31.5 inches is also an obstacle for pests such as snails. So our vegetables are protected and the next harvest is assured. The raised garden bed can be assembled quickly and, of course, easily. And then we have a raised bed gardening. It is a form of gardening in which the soil is raised above the ground level and usually enclosed in some way. Raised bed structures can be made of wood, rock, concrete, or other materials, and it can be of any size or shape. The soil is usually enriched with a compost. Vegetables are grown in geometric patterns much closer together than in conventional row gardenings. The spacing is such that when the vegetables are fully grown, their leaves just barely touch each other, creating a microclimatic in which weed growth is suppressed and moisture is conserved. Raised beds lend themselves to the development of complex agriculture systems that utilize many of the principles and methods of the permaculture. They can be used effectively to control erosion and recycle and conserve water and nutrients by building them along counter lines on slopes. This also makes more space available for intensive crop production. They can be created over large areas with the use of several commonly available tractor-drawn implements and effectively maintained, planted, and harvested using hand tools. And raised beds produce a variety of benefits. They extend the planting seasons. They can reduce weeds if designed and planted properly. And they reduce the need to use poor native soil. Since the gardener does not walk on the raised beds, the soil is not compacted and the roots have an easier time of growing. With higher raised beds enable the elderly and physically disabled to grow vegetables without having to bend over to tend them. And This is the best fact of it. It is so comfortable to use such a raised bed gardening tool like this from Blumfeldt. Easy to attach, and after this, you can start farming easily with the Blumfeldt. Um, yeah, high grow raised garden bed for flowers, for herbs, for vegetables, for a comfortable working height. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel soon.